Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about trends. By the way, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Forgot to ask. Like I said, I'm gonna be talking about trends, about the different types of trends, the characteristics of a trend, and why trends are so important. So by saying that, what is a trend? A trend is simply the direction of where the market is going to. If you don't know where you are in the market, you cannot trade. If you don't know if the market is going up or down, you just cannot trade. We have three different types of trends. We have uptrend, we have downtrend, and consolidation. Consolidation, also called a sideways market, as it says, the market is just moving sideways. And I'm gonna say this a lot in this video because it's really important for you to know when the market is moving sideways, you don't trade. So by saying that, let's just jump into the charts. As you can see guys, we are on Euro USD on the 15-minute time frame. So like I said, we have three different types of market. We have, I don't know why it does that. We have a uptrend, a downtrend, and consolidation. Consolidation is literally like this, like I hate when the market is in consolidation because it can take time. It's not like just 10 minutes or 20 minutes, can be, but a lot of times the consolidation is just for an hour, you know, and you're sitting there on the chart waiting for a breakout or something to happen. Anyways, an uptrend. The move up, you see those move up. This is called impulse. I'm gonna write that for you. So the move up is called impulse. And the moves down, move down. This is called a pullback. Simple. Impulse and pullback. Every trend has the impulse and the pullback, but not the sideways market. So you know, pullback. Okay. On the other side, in a downtrend, the move down is the impulse, and the move up is the pullback. In a uptrend, you are willing to buy at the bottom of a pullback, and in a downtrend, you are willing to sell at the top of the pullback. Okay, and like I said, in a consolidation, in a sideways market, there is no impulse, there is no pullback. The market is just boring, moving to the right for a long time, sometimes not, but most of the time a long time, and you're sitting there waiting on the chart for something to happen. That's it. No impulse and no pullback on the consolidation. So you will be asking, what forms a uptrend, what forms a downtrend? This is really basic stuff and one of the most important things to know. We're gonna start with the uptrend. Impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse. What forms a uptrend? A uptrend is when the market forms a high, then a low, then a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. So a uptrend, I'm gonna write that for you. Uptrend consists of a high, then a low, then a higher high, and higher low. And that's always, no matter what, that's an uptrend. On the other hand, a downtrend, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. A downtrend is when the market forms a low, then a high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, like that. I'm gonna write that for you too. So downtrend consists of a low, then a high, then a lower low, and a lower high. Easy, that's it. No matter what, that's a downtrend. And I'm gonna say this again, I know I've already said it, but in a consolidation, there is no high, there is no, I mean, yes, there is a highs and lows, but no higher highs or higher lows. It's just boring, it's just going like this. Don't trade, don't trade. I have to write that because I know some of you are like, I can't trade the consolidation. No, you can't. No, we don't trade sideways market, no matter what. Let me show you guys some examples on the chart. Right now, on the 50-minute, on the euro against the dollar, I think I already said that. What do we have right here? What do we have right here? What is this? This is an uptrend. Nah, just kidding. Of course not. This is a downtrend. The market went and formed a high right here. What did it then? It formed a low right here. So we have the impulse. Then we have a pullback, creating a lower high right here. Then here, a lower low, a lower high. A lower low will be right here. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Simple. Okay, now let me find the uptrend. Yeah, we can take this as an example. What do we have right here? An uptrend, right? Why is this an uptrend? This is an uptrend because the market formed a low right here. Then after it formed a high. So we have this impulse. Then we have a pullback forming a higher low right here. Then a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and then it created a lower low. This will be a market structure shift, but I'm not gonna go over that. I will do that in another video. But yeah, this is it. This is an uptrend. Now I'm gonna show you consolidation. Let me find the consolidation. Gonna switch to the 5-minute chart, and let me find it for you. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Like what the fuck is this? Seriously, look at this. Look at this. This is fucking boring, man. This. Okay, so here the market was 5 o'clock, and here it's 2 in the morning. That's like, how many hours is that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 hours. 9 hours, and the market, 9 hours, and the market was just going to one side, just going a little bit up and down, you know, like this. Don't trade sideways market. You can clearly see why you cannot trade the sideways market, right? It's like obvious, like you're gonna buy right here, and where you're gonna put your take profit. It's never gonna hit. You cannot trade sideways market. I've said it already a million times in this video, but I'm gonna keep saying it because it's so important to know. Don't trade in consolidation. Don't trade in sideways market. Never, no matter what. Be patient. Be patient. If you are not patient, trading is not for you. Okay? So, one last thing, really important, because I know a lot of you. Sorry for that. I know a lot of you be like, if I'm in uptrend, I'm just gonna buy. I'm in downtrend, I'm gonna sell. Yes, but one important thing: time frames. Time frames. Time frames. If we are on the daily chart, okay, so we are on the daily chart. I don't know why he did this, but whatever. We are on the daily chart, and on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we are in what? In an uptrend. We are going up. This is an uptrend. So does that mean that for today we're gonna buy? No. It doesn't mean that for today we're gonna buy. Because if we look that, yes, market is in an uptrend on the daily. Let's look at the 50-minute. What is it doing on all these lines and stuff? I don't know what this is. Look at the 50-minute chart. Look at this. Look. What is this? What is this? This is a downtrend. But on the daily, we are on an uptrend. But on the 50 minutes in a downtrend. This, guys, is really important. Time frames, right? In one time frame you can be in the uptrend, while in the other is in the downtrend, and the other one is in consolidation. So now we have the daily is in an uptrend, the 50-minute is in a downtrend. Let's look at the 1 minute. What is the 1 minute doing? The 1 minute was going up, and now it's going down again. So guys, this is really important. You need to know where you are in the market. This is why daily bias is so important. I know most of you don't know what daily bias is. I'm gonna go through that in another video. This is it for today. This is it. This is all you have to know about trends. Uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. Uptrend, a high, then a low, high, low. Downtrend, a low, a high, lower low, lower high. That's it. Consolidation, sideways, borrowing, you don't trade. And that's it. That's it, man. This is it. Boom. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a clear understanding now of the 3 different types of trends and why you don't trade in consolidation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe on my channel. I will be posting every week a new video explaining different stuff. And if you have any question, let me know in the comments. I will read it, I will answer you, and that's it. See you guys in the next video.